I was not ready. Good afternoon, traders. How y'all doing? Good to see the outliers here. I'm going to make this one short today because it's going to be very obvious what we need to do in just a moment. But I hope you're having a great day. This is the first day of summer for my children, and they've been running around the house, helping me basically pull the hair out of my head. And had a little chat with them. I'm like, listen, just because you're on summer doesn't mean I am. I got plenty of things I need to be doing. So don't be up in my grill. Just enjoy yourselves. Do your thing. Case in point, one of them walks in at 9 a.m. this morning. It's like, oh, I'm so hungry, Dad. I'm so useless. Please make me food. And I'm like, for real? And then the other one, he's like, my older one, he was planning a play day with his friend, and they're all going back and forth. He's running in and out trying to play this or plan this. And I'm like, bro, just relax. I'm not your taxi service. I'll take you where you need to go, but geez, calm down. Good to see you, Yorn. Hey, Colin. Good to see you. Hey, Sebastian. Glad you're here. All right. With all that out of the way, let's jump right into it and let's get going. Okay. Welcome to the OVTLYR Trading Room. This is how to trade only 10 minutes a day and exactly how to take the guesswork out of trading. Now, full disclosure, I'm a partner with OVTLYR, and this is my style of trading, but OVTLYR delivers you new opportunities every single day. Now, if you remember yesterday, I said, I think we are ripe for a pullback. I called it yesterday. Weird. I called it. I said, I emailed Mahesh early in the morning and I said, I think we're due for a pullback. And I said, actually at the bottom of the email, I said, watch this. Shabam. That's exactly what happened. And a lot of that basically came from me watching how big the bull list had gotten compared to the bear list. Because think about it this way, right? When everybody's in, when everybody's got their buy signals, what's left to do? The only thing left to do if everybody's bought is sell. And so we have 121 on the bear list today and 8 on the bull list. So I really think that that's going to be a really useful feature. We're going to have some sort of oscillator to go along with this. And I really think that that is a very, very key telling point. And we totally banked it while it was going up. The number of stocks on the bull list were just increasing. Market breadth was going crazy. And now it's pulling back exactly on time, as I said. I think that's what we're about to see is a nice, strong pullback. Jean-Louis here. Donna, good to see you. That's what we got today. We're under the 10 on the SPY, right? We still have the 10 over 20 price over the 50, but I'm not interested in trading. I want to get all the way out, mainly because we're closing under the 10 on the SPY. I don't know when that's going to come back, but I'm going to let that settle before it comes back. And like I say, the bull list got so deep, there was nobody left except sellers. So not even a little bit surprised. But let's go through our stocks. We have Walmart first. Walmart actually did get to the sell into strength point today, the G13 point that I had mentioned right here. So I was going to take it off anyway. I don't know where we're going to end up. It's 8 cents off our opening, but the VIX has expanded, volatility has expanded. So we might actually get out with break even or maybe a slight profit on this trade. Either way, it's going to be a small thing. We got in R1. Today it's at G14. It was at G9. Now it's at G14, which is an exit signal for me. As you know, right here, exit at G13. So I'm going to follow my plan. You can do whatever you please to do, but I'm going to follow my plan and get out. So I'm going to go into Walmart, and we're going to close that guy. Going to my other account on the business, the business account on the other screen. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm going to close that. All right. So Walmart closing the 6167, such a random number. June 21st, 6167s. Where do we get in Walmart? Got in Walmart at 355. Current price is 340. Who cares? Just move on. See if I can get filled at 340. No. Let me try 335. Out at 335. All right, what was that? 20 cents a contract? I'll survive. So will you. That's why Position sizing is so critical. Okay. So close this on 523. Hang on. Sorry, my calculations don't look right on this one. It says my return on capital was a negative 11 basis points. It had to be more than that. Let me drop it in the Discord. All right, closing here. All right. 523, close Walmart. 61, 67 calls for 335. Oh, I had typed in 355. That's why it didn't look right. Okay, so that was I was like, there's no way it was an 11 basis point loss. 5.75% loss. Big deal. That impacted my account by how much? 57 basis points. And hit, what was it called? Heat map target. Right, that's how you got to look at these, right? Yeah, it sucks that we got out with the loser, but who cares? It was like 57 basis points in my account. So I still have 99.43% of my account left. I don't care. You have to have an emotional disconnect to the results. All right, so go to the next one here, which is Sue. And I'm going to close this one too. Reason being, the market is under the 10. Sue is like 5 cents off this half ATR. I don't even want it anymore. I don't even want it. It was up over the 1 ATR at one point, but now I don't even want it. Get out of my life. Let's see where we can get out of Sue. So this is going to take me back to cash. Closing full quantity. Sue, June 21st, 39 calls. Working on order at 150. We got into Sue at 183. Filled at 150. All right, so we've closed Sue, we've closed Walmart. I'm back to cash. All right. Close Sue. What was that? 39 calls, right? Yeah. 39 calls for 150, which is how much? This one's going to be a little bit more than the last one. 18% loss. 4% loss. And that damaged my account by 1.12%. And I'm going to say half ATR hit. Easy. Yorn's out at 150 as well. Yeah, I don't want to be in Sue anymore. Not with the market being weak like this. Not with Sue being just a couple of pennies off of my half ATR. I would rather just get out now and just let it do its thing. So that was the plan for the day. I'm not even looking to put on new trades, right? I want to get out, let the market figure out which direction it's going. If it closes under the 10, then the short-term trend is down, right? The 10 EMA is the indicator of the short-term trend. Closing underneath the 10 EMA means that the short-term trend is down. So don't fight it. Not at all. It could go all the way down to here, to this order block. I don't know. But I do know I'm not going to get in the way. So I'm back to cash. That's going to wrap it for me today. Unfortunately, our winning streak has come to a slight end. And I really, really, really think that just everybody was in the stocks already. We saw that inside of the outlier data. I mean, we legitimately could see right on the watch list how many stocks had buy signals already, how many stocks had sell signals already. And if they're all the way loaded in with buy signals, nothing is left to buy. All that's left is to sell. It's not as dramatic when you have to wait. There we go. So this is starting to definitely peak over. 121 versus 8 today. So I do think once we get that indicator, like I say, it's going to be some sort of moving average, some sort of oscillator thing. That's going to show how many stocks are on the bull list versus bear list. It's going to be a lot easier. If you recall, I used to work around the MMFI, and the MMFI is the market breadth index. And I had lots of great success with that. But also there were a lot of times where I didn't get any trades on because the MMFI wasn't agreeing with the price trend and the MMFI was not agreeing with outlier. So I did move that aside after doing some back testing. But I think right now the market is definitely right for a pullback, and I'm just not going to get in the way. Con says, nice. Sebastian says, May is still positive, but only slightly. Your May was still positive only slightly? Mine was positive by 7%, my friend. I had a good May. You should have too, Sebastian, with that giant winner the other day. Anyway, that's going to wrap it for today. I'll see you right back here tomorrow. Yeah, Monday is a holiday. Don't forget about that. And we won't be here the first 2 weeks of June. So have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Talk soon.